In this video, we will going to take up one more operators, which is binary Boolean operators. So here in this binary, that means you have two operators. The and or operators always take two Boolean values, that is or expressions. So they are considered as the binary operators. The AND operator evaluates to true an expression to true if both Boolean values are true. Otherwise, it evaluates to false. So what does it mean? For example, if you are considering true and true is always true. True and false is always false. He says, if both the AND operator evaluates an expression, which is the expression, this one, true and true. Expression to true, if both Boolean values are true, that means this is one Boolean value and this is also another Boolean value. If these two values evaluates to true, then you will going to get true. Otherwise, it becomes false. That is true. One value is true here and the other value is false. True and false is always false. A truth table shows every possible results in a Boolean operator. The AND operator truth table is what? True and true is always true. True and false is always false. False and true is always false, and false is always false. So here you can see an expression evaluates to true and true is always true. True and false evaluates to false. False and true evaluates to false. False and false evaluates to false. This is how the AND operator uses. Then coming to the next one. On the other hand, OR operators evaluates to expression true if either of the one condition is true. If either of the two Boolean values is true. If both are false, it evaluates to false. That means, for example, if you are considering true or false is true, or true, false or true is always true, evaluates to true. False, if both the values are false, then it becomes false. True or true is also true. Now, if you are considering the OR operators truth table, you can see here, true or true is an expression which evaluates to true. True or false is an expression which evaluates to true. False or true is evaluates to true. False or false will always evaluate to false. Then the NOT operator is a single operator. Unlike and OR, the NOT operator on only one Boolean value or an expression. This makes it a unary operator. The NOT operator simply evaluates to the opposite of true or opposite of the Boolean value. What does it mean? For example, if I consider not Boolean value is true, then it evaluates to opposite to that Boolean value. What is the opposite of that Boolean value? True is the value. Not true means what? It should be false. Not false is what? It is true. Not true. If I want to evaluate this, finally it will going to give you the value as true. How it will going to be done? Let us see. First evaluates from not true. Not true means what? It becomes false. Then you will get not false. Not false means true. Then it becomes not true. Then it evaluates not true means false. Then you will going to get not false. Not false means what? Not false evaluates to true. So the final expression is true here. Then the not operator's truth table is, you can see, expression is not true, then it evaluates to false. Expression is not false, then it evaluates to true. Let us see how it will going to works out this in our program. Now I will say print not true is what? It gives an error because true is not defined. So here I will say not true, and then it will going to give you the false, because not true, it is a unary operator opposite of that Boolean value. What is that opposite of that Boolean value? The opposite of Boolean value is true. Not true means it should be false. So you can get the answer as false. Similarly, you can say false. So what you should get now? You should get it as true now. You can see it will going to get this as true. Now we will going to check for the AND operator. We will go for true and true. What I should get? True and true is always true. So you get true. Similarly, true and false. You will going to get false. Then true, and here I will say this will be false. False and false is always false. Then you will get false and true is always false. So this is how you will going to get the AND operator's truth table. Now we will go for the next is OR operator. True or true or false. True or true. True or true is always true. Then true or false is also true. Then false or false is always false. False or false is always false. Yes. Then false or true is always true. Okay. This is how we will be able to demonstrate how the unary and binary operators of the Boolean value will going to take place. This is how you will be able to use the AND operator, OR operator and the NOT operator. Thank you.